Want to get paid right now? Sit back, relax, and let me show you how. Here are 14 websites that will pay you within 24 hours. You can do all the work from your bed. Imagine watching your earnings grow up. Then you hit the withdraw to bank account button. Time to throw those secrets back on. Make sure your PayPal is connected. And if you don't PayPal, comment your country below for guidance. Let the cash roll in. Let's talk about fieldagent.net, the app that's changing the game. Do you have a talent for small tasks and love quick payoffs? Well, fieldagent.net is your new bestie. From store audits to price checks, you can earn a few dollars for each mission you complete. Just make sure there are stores signed up with fieldagent.net in your area first. Once you're all set up, you'll be the on-ground agent completing tasks while you run other errands or do whatever you like. It's straightforward, easy, and the perfect way to be a multitasking pro. Prolific.com, known as the money-earning machine, is primarily focused on academic research. Its core function is connecting researchers with potential study participants. You can even score a paying gig earning over $100 a month thanks to everyone's favorite payment, PayPal. So what are you waiting for? Get your Prolific.com. We've got the inside scoop on Google Opinion Rewards. Yes, it's from search engines, so you know it's the real deal. But let's address the elephant in the room, the opinions. Don't sweat it, peeps. We're here to tell you that this app is 100% legit. Picture this. You're killing time watching movie trailers and you get paid for it. That's what Google Opinion Rewards is all about. You give your 0-2 in surveys and they reward you with Google Play credits. And the best part? These surveys won't take more than a minute of your time. So how much can you earn? The sky's the limit. It all depends on how many surveys you're willing to do in a day. Users are reported getting $100 per month just by answering these simple surveys. So what are you waiting for? Start sharing your opinion and earn those sweet, sweet rewards. In addition to Go Transcript, there is another transcription platform called Transcribe Me that is just as impressive. These freelance websites like Rolladell.com handle all of the client interactions and provide you with an audio or video file that you can then transcribe into text. There are two options for transcribing verbatim or non-verbatim. The latter, meaning that you can tidy up the language and grammar for clarity. On average, transcribers earn between $250 to $2,000 each month. You'll have the chance to transcribe fascinating content like documentaries, business meetings, phone interviews, and much more. Have you been hesitant to join textbroker.com due to their name? Don't be fooled. You can earn up to $10,000. It may seem daunting, but your hard work will pay off once you submit a writing sample that determines your skill level. This will allow you to reach out to clients for job opportunities, which could lead to hundreds or even thousands of dollars in earnings. Keep at it. It's time to dust off your pens and pencils and clean the crumbs from your keyboards, because Textmaster.com exclusively collaborates with professionals like you. The process is simple. Find an available job related to your niche and apply. Textmaster.com offers a high earning potential, with the possibility of earning up to $1,000 per month. Have you ever felt like Amazon's sneaky smirking logo was mocking you? Well, let's turn that frown upside down. Mturk.com, which is Amazon Mechanical Turk, is here to shower you with cash for easy-peasy tasks like filling in data, transcribing audio, or taking surveys. These mini tasks take less than 5 minutes to complete and pay an average of $1 to $6 each. With just an hour of your time, you can conquer a dozen of these tasks and make a cool side hustle that'll make your bank account smile. Let's talk about making a bank with Chegg.com. Step 1. Create an account. Step 2. Hop on board and start tutoring. Step 3. Cha-ching. You'll earn a cool $20 per hour for each session. Plus, sometimes you'll wrap up early but still get paid the full amount. Sweet deal, right? Hit that subscribe button and show some love for Rolladell.com. We're counting down to number 1, where the limit for making money is all on your own terms. Dust off those drawing skills you thought were long gone and unleash your artistic side with Redbubble.com. Get paid up to $1,000 per month for designing apparel artworks. It can be any kind of artwork and design. Who knew your creativity could be so profitable? You can become artistic. Vision into a lucrative business opportunity. Rev.com is the unsung hero of today's best daily jobs. It's not just an afterthought, it's a legitimate and exciting career path. Combining Got Transcript and Rev can put you in many lucrative positions. According to Rev, you can earn an average of $245 per month and even up to over $1,500 per month. If transcription isn't for you, Rev also offers a captioning option. Lionbridge.com offers a fantastic opportunity to boost your bank account with a potential earning of $13 per hour. The company's task-oriented approach simplifies the process, with assignments given based on availability. On average, Lionbridge contractors earn several $100s a month, with some dedicated workers earning up to $1,000. Appen.com, the older sibling of Lionbridge, is a platform that assigns you to a project that typically spans 20 hours a week. This approach to work is about working smart rather than working hard. Once you've completed your assigned tasks, which could include assisting an AI in the identification of image content or conducting reviews, you can clock out and earn your hourly rate of $9. Exploring clickworkers.com, a fandom for efficient task handling. Clickworkers is a fandom that caters to those who excel in writing, translating, researching, and data processing. Based on the site's available projects, you can choose from a pool of tasks that match your skills. Although Clickworkers might be most suitable for workers in the US or the UK, it's an all-around goldmine for anyone seeking freelance work. Earning money through Medium articles. If you're looking for a new way to generate income, Medium is an excellent platform to explore. Rather than writing for clients, you can write for yourself and publish articles that will be read by millions of readers. You'll earn money based on the total read time of your stories, as well as engagement from referred membership. Medium pays authors $4 out of every $5 monthly subscription. Although Medium visits writers before they can start publishing, it's worth the wait. Once approved, you can make anywhere from $50 to several $1,000s per month. Top writers who make up the 1% and have been on the platform for years earn over $5,000 per month. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.